Hey there, nail art enthusiasts! Ready to transform your nails into miniature masterpieces? Nail art is more than just polish. It's about expressing yourself with color and design. From simple accents to intricate patterns, there's a world of creativity at your fingertips. Let's dive into some stunning nail art designs you can easily recreate. Negative space nail art is all about embracing the natural beauty of your nails. This trend has taken the nail art world by storm, offering a fresh and modern twist on traditional manicures. Instead of covering the entire nail with polish, negative space nails allow parts of your natural nail to peek through, creating a unique and eye-catching design. It's a perfect way to showcase your creativity while keeping things elegant and understated. This technique involves strategically placing polish to leave portions of your nails bare. By doing so, you can create intricate patterns and designs that play with the contrast between the painted and unpainted areas. Whether you prefer geometric shapes, delicate lines, or abstract art, negative space nails offer endless possibilities. The key is to plan your design carefully and use the right tools to achieve a clean and precise look. The result? A chic and modern look that's surprisingly simple to achieve. Negative space nails are perfect for those who want a stylish manicure without spending hours at the salon. Plus, they can be easily customized to suit any occasion, from casual outings to formal events. With a little practice, you'll be able to create stunning designs that will impress everyone. Apply a base coat to protect your nails. This step is crucial as it creates a smooth surface for the polish to adhere to and prevents staining. A good base coat will also help your manicure last longer, keeping your nails looking fresh and beautiful. Use thin striping tape or stencils to create your desired negative space design. These tools are essential for achieving clean lines and precise shapes. Striping tape is perfect for creating straight lines and geometric patterns, while stencils can be used for more intricate designs. Take your time to position the tape or stencils carefully, ensuring they are firmly in place before applying the polish. Apply your chosen polish over the stencil, then carefully peel off the tape while the polish is still wet. This step requires a steady hand and a bit of patience, but the results are well worth it. By removing the tape while the polish is still wet, you can achieve crisp, clean lines that make your design stand out. If any polish seeps under the tape, you can use a small brush dipped in nail polish remover to clean up the edges. Seal in your design with a glossy top coat. This final step not only adds a beautiful shine to your nails, but also protects your design from chipping and fading. A good top coat will ensure your manicure lasts for days, keeping your nails looking flawless. Orally Nail Defense. This product is perfect for strengthening your nails and preventing breakage. It's a great addition to your nail care routine, especially if you frequently experiment with different nail art designs. Whale Love Striping Tape. This high-quality tape is ideal for creating precise lines and patterns in your negative space nail art. It's easy to use and ensures a professional-looking finish every time. Secchivite Dry Fast Top Coat. This top coat is a must-have for any nail art enthusiast. It dries quickly, providing a durable and glossy finish that keeps your nails looking perfect for longer. With these products and techniques, you can easily achieve stunning negative space nails that are sure to turn heads. Make a statement with a vibrant geometric color block design. This style is all about boldness and creativity, allowing you to express your unique personality through a stunning array of colors and shapes. Whether you're heading to a special event or just want to add some flair to your everyday look, geometric color block nails are sure to turn heads and make you feel fabulous. This eye-catching look is perfect for adding a pop of personality to your nails. The geometric patterns create a modern and sophisticated vibe, while the vibrant colors bring a playful and energetic touch. You can mix and match different shapes and hues to create a design that's truly one of a kind. From triangles and squares to abstract lines and dots, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment with different color combinations. The beauty of geometric color block design lies in its versatility. You can go for a monochromatic look with varying shades of the same color, or you can opt for a rainbow effect with a spectrum of bright and bold hues. The key is to have fun and let your creativity shine. Try pairing contrasting colors for a striking effect, or use complementary colors for a more harmonious look. Start with a base coat. This is an essential step to ensure your nail art lasts longer and looks smoother. A good base coat will protect your natural nails from staining and provide a smooth surface for the polish to adhere to. Make sure to apply a thin, even layer and let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Divide your nail into sections using striping tape, creating your desired geometric pattern. Striping tape is a fantastic tool for achieving clean, precise lines and intricate designs. You can create a variety of shapes and patterns by simply adjusting the placement of the tape. Whether you want to create a simple grid or a more complex design, striping tape makes it easy to achieve professional-looking results. Fill in each section with different colored polishes. This is where you can really let your creativity run wild. Choose colors that complement each other and apply them carefully within the taped sections. Use a fine brush for more detailed work and make sure to apply thin layers to avoid smudging. You can also add glitter or metallic polishes for an extra touch of glamour. Carefully remove the tape while the polish is still wet and finish with a top coat. Removing the tape while the polish is still wet helps to prevent the edges from becoming jagged or uneven. Once the tape is removed, apply a top coat to seal in your design and add a glossy finish. A good top coat will also help to protect your nail art from chipping and keep it looking fresh for longer. Essie, here to stay base coat. This base coat is known for its long-lasting formula and smooth application. It provides a strong foundation for your nail art and helps to prevent chipping and peeling. OPI, China Glaze, Essie. These brands offer a wide range of vibrant and high-quality nail polishes that are perfect for creating geometric color block designs. With their extensive color palettes, you're sure to find the perfect shades to bring your vision to life. Orly Fine Line Tape. This tape is ideal for creating precise and clean lines in your geometric designs. It's easy to use and can be cut to any length, making it a versatile tool for any nail art enthusiast. Sally Hansen Insta-Dri Top Coat. This top coat dries quickly and provides a durable, glossy finish that will keep your nail art looking fresh and vibrant. It's the perfect finishing touch for your geometric color block design. Channel your inner artist with ethereal floral watercolor nails. This technique creates a soft, dreamy effect that's perfect for any occasion. Apply a white base coat to make the colors pop. Use a small brush to dab different watercolor nail polishes onto your nails, creating flower petal shapes. Dip a clean brush in acetone and gently blend the edges of the petals for a watercolor effect. Once dry, seal your design with a top coat. OPI Alpine Snow, Cirque Colors ILNP, Winstonia Detail Brush, KB Shimmer clearly on top. Quick dry top coat. Section 5. Essential tools for your nail art kit. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned nail artist, having the right tools can make all the difference in achieving those stunning designs you dream of. Ready to unleash your inner nail artist? Let's dive into the essential tools that will elevate your nail art game to the next level. Here are some must-have tools for your nail art kit. First up, dotting tools. These versatile tools come in various sizes and are perfect for creating, well, perfect dots and circles. Whether you're aiming for a simple polka dot design or more intricate patterns, dotting tools are indispensable. They can also be used to create flowers, hearts, and other shapes with a little practice. Next, we have striping tape. This thin, adhesive tape is a game changer for creating clean lines and geometric designs. Striping tape can be used to section off areas of your nail for different colors or to create intricate patterns. It's especially useful for achieving that professional salon quality look at home. Then, detail brushes. These fine-tipped brushes help you achieve intricate details and fine lines. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for different types of detailing work. And finally, a cleanup brush. This tool makes it easy to clean up any polish mishaps. A cleanup brush is essential for perfecting your manicure. Dip it in acetone or nail polish remover to clean up the edges of your nails, ensuring a crisp, clean finish. With these essentials in your kit, you'll be all set to create stunning nail art designs. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with these tools, the more confident you'll become in your nail art skills. So gather your tools, unleash your creativity, and let your nails become your canvas. Happy painting! Section 6. Prepping your canvas. Nail Care 101. Before you start creating nail art, it's essential to prep your nails properly. Think of it as priming your canvas for a masterpiece. First, cleanse. Remove any old polish with an acetone-free remover. Next, shape file and shape your nails to your desired length and shape. And finally, moisturize. Hydrate your cuticles with cuticle oil. Section 7. Mastering the techniques. Don't be afraid to experiment and practice different techniques. The more you play with nail art, the better you'll become. Try layering to create depth and dimension by layering different colors and textures. Blending can help you achieve seamless gradients and watercolor effects. And stamping use nail stamping plates to create intricate designs quickly. Section 8. Beyond the basics, exploring other designs. Once you've mastered the basics, the possibilities are endless. Explore other trendy designs like ombre nails, glitter accents, animal print, and marble nails. Section 9. Embrace your inner artist. Nail art is a fun and creative way to express yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and most importantly, have fun. Share your nail art creations and inspire others to embrace their inner artists. Happy painting!